Hey Lily, look what I got. Check it out. So I just got back from the Apple store. I had my keyboard on my 2017 MacBook Pro replaced so many times that they actually just gave me a 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro to replace it, which is awesome. So yeah, I just thought I'd make a video of me removing the plastic and setting it up. So they do give you the same specs as your old one, but what's awesome about this is I had a 256 gigabyte MacBook and the base model for this is 512 gigabytes. So I have more SSD space, which is cool because I was struggling with the lower storage a little bit. They didn't let me keep the box unless if I gave them my old one, which I would have done, but unfortunately I didn't have it with me. But they did give me a new charger, so that's cool. I have the old charger as well. But of course, the new charger charges it faster, so that is cool. Oh, oops. I just ripped it. Ooh. Anyways, we are on Catalina, so we're going to update it, and then we're going to restore it so I can back it up from my Time Machine backup. So what's cool here is it actually comes with a 1-year warranty. Usually when you get a replacement product, it comes with just the 90-day repair warranty. But yeah, this comes with a 1-year warranty. It's May 7th right now, so yeah, pretty much a whole year. And it actually says that I'm eligible for AppleCare. So that's really cool. I could get AppleCare if I wanted to. This is going to take a while. Okay, so we are on Big Sur. Now we're going to go into recovery mode so we can wipe the computer, and then we should be able to restore from our Time Machine backup. Okay, so I just erased the hard drive, and now we're going to reinstall Big Sur. Okay. Okay, finally saw my Time Machine now that I'm updated, thankfully. Finally. Okay, I hope this works. Like, I'm excited for this because on my 2017 MacBook Pro, my Touch ID never worked. Like, I would rescan it and it'd work for a day and then it would stop working. I don't know, it just never worked properly for me. So, I hope it's better on this one. So I got the unlock with Apple Watch to work, and it is a lot faster than it is on the 2017, I will say that. And Touch ID, pretty fast. The best upgrade of all is this keyboard. It's so much better. Like, my fingers would get cramps from using the butterfly keyboard. So it'll be so nice to not have this keyboard get jammed because it's a butterfly keyboard, and actually to have some key travel. Like, this is so much better. It's also working with my previous desktop setup, which is really nice, so I don't have to go out and buy anything new. It all just works. So yeah, I mean, it is a lot faster, but that isn't really my big concern. I'm okay with using older computers just because I don't do anything too crazy, but I definitely will appreciate the new keyboard and the upgraded storage. So yeah, definitely excited for this computer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Considering the nature of this video, I just wanted to clarify, I'm very much not the type of person who will upgrade technology just because there's some new feature or whatever. I will use technology as long as it works, as long as it's new and fast enough for me personally. Like, I'm still using this Apple Watch Series 3. Like, if something isn't working and I can fix it, I will fix it before upgrading. And I certainly wouldn't have gotten a new computer if it wasn't just a free upgrade from Apple. So I just want to make that clear. Like, I do plan on having this computer for 4 to 6 years. I'm by no means someone who upgrades stuff all the time. I do believe that we should upgrade last. We should fix things, just keep them in use for as long as possible, because there is a big e-waste problem, and upgrading every year is not helping. Of course, you can upgrade every year if you really want to. Just make sure that that old device, rather than you trading it into Apple, who will probably just recycle it even if it's working normally, just make sure you like fix it up or give it to someone who will fix it up, or if it's working, sell it to someone. But yeah, that's about all.